Okay, I got all 4 of my little babies here. So what I'm going to start with is the back side and the slanted side, that way, because I can have it sit on this straight side so it's easier to hammer together. So we just want to get this lined up. And it looks like I did pretty good with my bands. I can always, once it's together, I can always tweak these so they're at the right angle. This gets us started. Put that on the inside, I think. Just like that. That sits flush. See that? So the angle sits. You want to make sure that these are at the same. You want to make sure these are at the same height too. Just hammer it just enough so it can't come apart. Get your other side here. This is your front side. Hopefully you measured everything right. Looks like I did. If I screwed it up, it wouldn't be the first time. Okay. Now this is where it's trickier because you're on that slanted side now. So just take your time. Nice to have an extra, like a helper to hold it for you. So what we'll do here is we'll just get this in. The other side in. Like so. You don't want to have that on the inside. That'll work out better. Yeah, it's real clumsy when you got it on a curved side. Once you have it like that, if you want to put it back on its bottom and just finish hammering them in, you can. It's a lot easier. Like I said last time, it's not how hard you hit it, it's where you hit it. Just take your time. I don't have one of those air